Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Looker Studio community templates for affiliate KPIs, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Looker Studio and navigate to the template gallery. In the template gallery, use the search bar to type in keywords related to affiliate KPIs. Look for community templates specifically designed for tracking affiliate performance. Once you find a suitable template, click on it to view the details. Review the template's features to ensure it meets your needs. To restore the template, click the Use Template button. This action will create a copy in your Looker Studio account. Once the template is loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Check the data sources linked to the template. If necessary, update the data source to align with your affiliate metrics. To change the data source, click on the Data panel on the right side. Select Add Data and choose the relevant data set that includes your affiliate KPIs. After updating the data source, review the charts and tables in the template. Ensure that the KPIs displayed correspond accurately to your business goals. You can edit chart properties by clicking on each chart individually. Modify any parameters or filters as required to tailor the template to your needs. Feel free to rename the report by clicking on the report name at the top. Once all adjustments are made, preview the report to verify the data displays correctly. To share the restored template with your team, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Adjust sharing settings according to your team's requirements. Finally, save your work to ensure that all changes are included in the shared template. Your Looker Studio community template for tracking affiliate KPIs is now fully restored and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.